Welcome to the British English IELTS Academy. Today we will discuss learning IELTS online and learning IELTS online with us. Now first of all, shall we discuss why should you do online learning? Now after this COVID-19 started, everything collapsed everywhere, not only in Sri Lanka, everywhere it was like that. And the education has completely stopped. No classroom, no schools, nothing. So right now, the only option that you have is the online learning. The online learning for your IELTS. With COVID situation, the time will run as usual. You will get older, but you have targets. For you to achieve some of these targets like studying abroad or migration, one of the requirement is the IELTS. IELTS is the requirement. Now, right now with this current situation, there is no other option. No other option. You need to take care of your health. You need to take care of all the other social rules, the social distances. So the only option for you to continue walking towards your dreams are online learning. Even your normal studies, your degrees, masters, most of these things are today. The classroom learnings are not happening. The only option is online learning. So if you want to keep walking towards your goal of study abroad or migration, you need to complete your IELTS and you need to do it online right now. There is no other option. Now when it comes to the online, there are advantages and disadvantages, right? Both. Now if you look at some of the advantages, it's a flexible learning. You can learn according to your pace, according to your availability. And unlike the classroom sessions, you can complete them quickly. It's a faster completion. Then the other thing is you can study from your home, you can study from your office. Even we had some students, while they were driving, they are joining our online sessions. So you can study from anywhere, you can join from anywhere, you can log in from anywhere. And if you see the cost of these things, the classroom cost and the online cost is comparatively less. You don't need to worry about your clothes. You don't need to worry about your makeup. You don't need to worry about the transport. So everything, all these costs will be taken out. Right? So it's cost effective. And there are many more advantages with online learning. Now when it comes to the disadvantages, people might say that no face-to-face interaction. When there is no face-to-face interaction, the learning is not happening properly. But in our IELTS programs, we do face-to-face interaction through our cameras and through our online sessions, through our individual sessions. Then the other thing that they say is the disadvantage, that increase personal responsibility. Anyway, you are responsible of getting your band score, getting your target, going for your target, but we will not leave you. We will guide you. So there won't be any increased personal responsibility, but it will be a commitment. It will be a teamwork between you and us. Then requires self-direction. Now here in online you don't need self-direction with us, because we will be directing you, we will be guiding you throughout the session. Let's see, why should you select us to do your online IELTS learning? Now today, if you see in Sri Lanka, there are so many places, so many people are doing IELTS. I have seen many advertisements, even from Ikman.lk. Most of these small advertising, they are advertising for online IELTS. IELTS through Zoom, IELTS through WhatsApp, Viber. Now, I'm not going to comment about any of those people, but let me tell you, why should you select us to do your online IELTS learning? We have more than 7 years experience in IELTS coaching, and we have 4+ years experience in online IELTS coaching. Now most of these people who are doing online IELTS, they started online IELTS after COVID pandemic. But for us, British English IELTS Academy, we were doing IELTS for more than 4.5 years online IELTS. We had students from Jaffna, Kandy, Mathale, Trincomalee, Batticaloa, Anuradhapura, many areas, because those people, those professionals, those students cannot just come to Colombo every week for them to do IELTS. So about 4.5 years ago we started online IELTS. So we are not new for online IELTS. Also, we used to do IELTS, online IELTS for foreign students in Malaysia, Singapore and Maldives. So we are fully confident, we are fully equipped with online IELTS coaching. All our lecturers are well qualified and experienced. And we have results assured plans. We guide you, we coach you, we tell you exactly what to do so that you can get your desired band score. Flexible learning methods, we have normal pace, fast track and individual sessions. So according to your requirement, according to your time, when do you need to do IELTS exam, we have study plans fits for your requirement. The best study materials. The study materials that we are using, they are Cambridge University authenticated study materials. We are not taking study materials from anywhere. No one can match our study materials. No one can match our study materials. We have normal pace, fast track and individual sessions. Well planned sessions with recorded links. So every session after you participate, the next day you will get the recorded link. So you can visit that link and watch the same session again and again as many times as you required. Then on top of all those things, we have the exam focus mock test. 2021 IELTS focused mock test. Also, we'll be having individual feedback sessions for each candidate. We'll be having speaking and writing correction sessions individual. So we will have one-on-one sessions to discuss your reading, writing, speaking and listening sessions also. Our study pack contains, I told you that our study materials are unique. Our study pack contains a notebook where you can write down notes, Cambridge IELTS Practice Book Hard Copy 14, Cambridge IELTS Practice Books 1 to 13, and Participants DVD, which contains all the vocabulary, grammar, listening practices, and all the other things that you required for your IELTS training. We also give you a Participants Handbook where you have all the contents that will be discussed during our study sessions. Right. The next question is how to register for our coaching sessions. It's very easy. 1, 2, 3. It's so easy. Number 1, click the register button on our website. Download IELTS preparation brochure, which gives you all the details about our programs and procedure for registration. Number 2, click register for IELTS preparation course. Number 3, complete the online form and submit. You are registered. It's so easy. Anyway, if you need further details about us or our IELTS programs, please feel free to contact us on 071 393 5846 or 077 491 5846. Or you can email us nivantika@thewavelk.com or info@ielts.edu.lk. As you know, our website is www.ielts.edu.lk. You can visit anytime you want, and you can learn IELTS free of charge through our website. So, we wish you success in your exam. We wish you, and we are sure that you can get your band score. You can beat your band score. Thank you so much. Thank you.